Are you still manually posting on Instagram every day? Let AI do the work while you grow your business. Let's see how. First, go to ChatGPT. Use this prompt, write 5 Instagram captions about productivity using AI done in seconds. Now copy the one you like. Design matching visuals using Canva's templates. Type your niche, drag your caption and done. Professional and scroll stopping. Use Buffer or Later to auto-post for you. Upload your image plus caption. Pick date and time, AI handles the rest. Want a full week planned? Use Notion AI to build your post calendar. Organize, schedule, and repeat effortlessly. Want to automate your Instagram while you sleep? Get my free toolkit or check the tools in the description. Use Pictory, Canva, Buffer, and build your faceless brand today. Download AI Profits Toolkit, link in bio. Follow at aprofits_lab for more faceless AI business hacks.